Hello everyone, I am Arnavaditya Rudra and I am currently pursuing a Bachelor's of Science in Computer Science and Engineering at Daffodil International University. I completed my SSC from Manipur High School. My academic journey has helped me to develop a strong foundation in technology, problem solving, a condition of learning. As a CSC student, I am professionally at exploring new technologies and applying that knowledge to solve the real world problem. Currently, I am focusing at the areas as SaaS programming and database management, SQL, data analysis, and software development to ensuring the coursework. I actively work and improving communication and teamwork as professional skills because I believe technology experting as soft skill and equity in problems for career success. One of my greatest strength is analyzing the mindset up. I enjoy break down the complex problem to finding the practical solution, and I am adaptable to earn the learn and comfortably working both independently and part of the team. My technical skills including SQL database designing and management software tools and valuable programming concepts are continuously strengthened through the academic project and practical experiences. At present, I am involved in a internship to allow to gain heads of the industry experience. So my opportunity have learned a impact in my professional life, responsibility and effect contribution to collaboration the workplace I have environment. I have also worked on several academic projects. One of my project is student management system, which was designed to manage student records, course, informal and formal academic data efficiently. Another project is library management system, which help automatically to backtrack, bringing to returning process. Those projects are ensuring my understanding and database management with system data and problem solving while allowing me solving the other technical knowledge in my practical situations. Adorable academic of work, I enjoy reading, learning, and managing the technical issues. I have many hobbies as like traveling, the particle life, communication activities, and exploring other ideas in my life. Those interesting helps me to count of my creativity and motivation. Looking ahead, my short-term goals are continuously building my technical expertise and gaming values. Long-term goal become skilled software engineering who carrying the impact situation and contribution in my life and technical institution. My life vision is simple to keep learning and creative value to others and make meaningfully difference through technology, innovation and work harding. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video resume. I look forward to future opportunities where I can learn, grow and contribute my skills efficiently. Thank you everyone.